AI.
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 It's AI.
With AI.
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 Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AI Surge. Imagine a world where technology doesn't take you away from your reality, but enhances it, where the digital seamlessly blends with the physical, unlocking new possibilities and experiences. Welcome to the world of Apple Vision Pro. At the Worldwide Developers Conference 2023 conference, Apple introduced the Vision Pro. It was a highly anticipated augmented reality headset, and now it's here. Apple Vision Pro is more than just a headset. It's a transformative leap into spatial computing. It seamlessly blends the digital and physical worlds, opening a window to unparalleled experiences, creativity, and productivity. Let's delve into the key features that define this revolutionary technology. Unique design. The Vision Pro represents a significant leap forward in the realm of augmented reality. With its sleek ski goggle-like design and innovative technology, it promises to revolutionize how we interact with digital content, creating a new reality. Vision Pro boasts two high-resolution micro OLED displays, offering a combined 23 million pixels, exceeding a 4K TV for each eye. This translates to stunning visuals, sharp text, and vibrant colors, ensuring an immersive and lifelike experience. The heart of the Vision Pro lies in its advanced hardware and software. Featuring high-resolution displays with custom 3D lenses, users are treated to stunning visuals that blur the line between the virtual and the real world, powering the experience. The headset is equipped with an array of sensors, including IR cameras for eye tracking and downward-facing cameras for hand tracking. Additionally, LiDAR sensors ensure real-time spatial awareness, allowing users to interact seamlessly with their environment. The brains behind this innovation are the dual-chip architecture. The powerful M2 chip handles demanding graphics, runs the Vision OS, and drives advanced visual algorithms. However, the dedicated R1 chip processes information from cameras, sensors, and microphones at record speeds, enabling real-time responsiveness and smooth interactions. Vision OS. At the core of the Vision Pro is Vision OS, a dedicated operating system running on M2 chip and designed for spatial computing. This intuitive platform enables seamless interaction with digital content, with support for gestures, eye tracking, and dynamic environments. Spatial audio. Immersion isn't just visual, it's sonic. Vision Pro's personalized spatial audio system adapts to your head and ear geometry, delivering directional sound that mirrors the real world. Audio objects move seamlessly as you turn your head, creating a truly cinematic experience. Persona. Say goodbye to flat, emotionless video calls. With Persona, Vision Pro utilizes AI models for machine learning and create a digital avatar that dynamically reflects your facial expressions and hand movements. Connect with loved ones on a deeper level, conveying genuine emotions and fostering true presence. Capturing memories in 3D. Vision Pro introduces a groundbreaking 3D camera, allowing you to capture spatial photos and videos. Relive those cherished moments as if you were there again, with incredible depth and detail that traditional cameras simply can't replicate. And thanks to compatibility with iPhone 15 Pro, you can even view spatial videos captured on your phone through Vision Pro. App ecosystem. Vision Pro unlocks a universe of dedicated apps built for the spatial computing paradigm. Explore educational experiences, unleash your creativity with immersive painting and sculpting tools, collaborate with colleagues in 3D models, or lose yourself in interactive games that blend seamlessly with the real world. While native apps are limited at launch, Apple has partnered with major developers to ensure a diverse range of experiences, from productivity tools like Microsoft Office to entertainment apps like Disney+. Users have access to a growing library of content, games, and entertainment. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the Vision Pro's compatibility with Apple Arcade, offering a vast selection of immersive titles. Whether it's exploring virtual worlds or engaging in multiplayer experiences, there's something for everyone. Accessibility for all. Vision Pro isn't just for the tech-savvy. Accessibility features are seamlessly integrated, catering to diverse users with vision, hearing, mobility, and learning needs. Voice control, text-to-speech, and haptic feedback ensure everyone can participate in the spatial computing revolution. Biometric authentication. Security is paramount with the Vision Pro. Optic ID, Apple's proprietary biometric authentication system, uses iris scanning for seamless and secure access. With data encryption built in, users can rest assured that their personal information remains protected. Battery life. To ensure uninterrupted usage, the Vision Pro features a detachable battery pack that provides up to 2 hours of continuous use. Whether you're immersed in a gaming session or attending a virtual meeting, the device offers flexibility and convenience. More than just technology, Vision Pro is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and environmental responsibility. The device incorporates recycled materials throughout its construction, minimizing its environmental impact. More importantly, it opens doors to new possibilities, from enhancing professional workflows to enriching personal connections and fostering a deeper understanding of the world around us. Finally, with its groundbreaking technology and immersive experiences, the Vision Pro sets a new standard for augmented reality. As the technology continues to evolve, Apple remains at the forefront, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Apple Vision Pro is not just a glimpse into the future. It's the future here and now. With its groundbreaking features, seamless integration with the real world, and commitment to accessibility, it pushes the boundaries of what's possible, empowering us to create, connect, and learn in ways never imagined before. Priced at $3,499, the Vision Pro is available now for US and will be for other countries soon. Customers can personalize their fit with a demo at Apple stores, ensuring the comfortable and tailored experience. People with first-hand experience with it are pretty amazed with it. As it is not the first VR headset, it still managed to turn heads due to spatial computing. Hence, it's only been few days of its release. People are finding new things about it every single day. YouTube is getting populated with people sharing their views about it every day, but you can only tell when you test it yourself. That brings us to the end. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to know how the world is changing with the advent of AI, subscribe to AI Surge for more exclusive content. For more daily AI updates, visit our website, aisurge.net. Thank you very much.